Alright guys, it's early in the morning, Saturday. We are here having breakfast with friends. We just woke up. I woke up a little bit late today. I woke up at 9 o'clock. Got so tired last night. We went out for karaoke. But we had so much fun. Really noisy in here. Good morning. Morning, John. Good morning. Good morning, Ami. Morning, Floor. Morning, Eileen. Morning. Alright, we're gonna have fun today, guys. We don't know what we're gonna do this morning. Hi guys, we are here at Margaritaville. We're having lunch. Hi. Look at that mattress. Good morning! Alright guys, this is Sunday. We're having fun. We just woke up. Breakfast in the morning.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine.
Alright guys, lunchtime. We are back home from shopping. It's Sunday today guys, so we're gonna go stay and rest, and then we're gonna go in strip again later. Angie and Pete are leaving today. We'll see you guys later. I hope you guys had a great time. Yes. Yeah. That's good. Alright guys, we are heading out. This is our last day here in Las Vegas. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning guys. And we have to be out of here about 12:30. So, and then we will go straight to the airport. It's just 6 of us left. Some of our friends already took off this morning. They already flew out of Las Vegas. And we had such a great time, wonderful time. Every day we are doing something. It's just a lot of fun. So we're gonna probably do this again, but it's gonna be in the different area in not Las Vegas. So we'll talk about that, where we're going next. But anyway, we had so much fun. Everybody had fun. And it's just amazing short vacation for our friends. So I will see you guys later. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.